Imagine for a moment, you come home after a long day at work. Fatigue weighs on your shoulders, but one task still awaits you: the dishes. A pile of plates, glasses, and bowls stares at you accusingly from the sink. You sigh, resigned to spend another half hour with your hands in soapy water. But wait. What if I told you there is a simple, effective, and elegant solution to this daily problem? Let me introduce you to the Klarstein, a compact countertop mini dishwasher. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description. Now, to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of satisfied customer reviews and order yours at the best price right now. This product is ideal for people living in small spaces like studios or apartments, and for those looking for a practical and stylish solution for doing the dishes. Perfect for singles or small households, it fits seamlessly and meets all daily needs. This is not an ordinary dishwasher. No! The Klarstein Amazonia Neo is a small marvel of technology and design that will revolutionize your kitchen and your daily life. With its compact size and dimensions of 50 x 50 x 59 centimeters, it fits perfectly even in the smallest spaces. Whether you live in a studio or a small house, or simply want an additional dishwasher for your office, the Klarstein Amazonia Neo is made for you. Installing this dishwasher is a piece of cake. Forget about long hours of DIY and complicated installations. Just plug it into the faucet, connect the provided drain and inlet hoses, and you're done in a few minutes. Your Klarstein is in use, and despite its compact size, this little gem can accommodate up to 8 place settings. Yes, you heard that right, 8 place settings. You can therefore wash a complete set of dishes, even plates with a diameter of 27 centimeters, without any problem. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of customer reviews that attest to its quality. But what really sets the Klarstein Amazonia Neo apart is its versatility. This mini dishwasher offers 8 different washing programs to meet all your needs. Whether you need an intensive wash for heavily soiled pots, an economical cycle to save energy, or a quick program for clean dishes in record time, this dishwasher has thought of everything. There is even a program dedicated to fruits and a self-cleaning cycle for effortless maintenance. In addition to its exceptional performance, the Klarstein Amazonia Neo is also a model of discretion. With a noise level of only 40 decibels, you can use it at any time of the day without being disturbed by the noise. It is perfect for apartments or offices where quiet is essential. And that's not all. Its elegant glass facade and modern design add a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. You can always see when it is full thanks to the transparency of the glass, which is not only practical but also aesthetically pleasing. The Klarstein is not only beautiful and efficient, but it is also economical with an energy class of A+. It consumes less energy, which is good for the planet and for your wallet. And don't worry about safety. The integrated Aquastop system protects you against water leaks, providing you with complete peace of mind. Now, let's talk about the user experience. With intuitive touch controls and an LED display, using the Klarstein is remarkably simple. You can easily choose the program that best suits your needs with just one click. The included components such as the cutlery basket, drain hose, inlet hose, and filling funnel make each use even more convenient. But don't just take my word for it. Users love the Klarstein Amazonia Neo. With a rating of 4.25 stars based on 9 or 50 reviews, this dishwasher has already won over hundreds of users. Customer reviews highlight its ease of use, efficiency, and elegant design. Many say they can no longer live without it, claiming that this little device has truly changed their daily lives. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, easy installation. Connects quickly to a standard faucet without requiring complex modifications. Advantage number 2, low energy consumption. Energy class, A for savings on your electricity bills. Advantage number 3, silent. With only 40 decibels, it is quiet enough to operate even at night. Advantage of modern design, its glass front adds an aesthetic touch to your kitchen. Advantage number 5, versatility of programs. 8 different washing programs to accommodate all types of dishes. Now let's move on to some drawbacks. 1, limited capacity. It may not be suitable for large families due to its capacity for only a few place settings. Disadvantage 2, relative bulk. Although compact, it still requires a dedicated space on or under. the countertop. So, what are you waiting for? Don't let the beast ruin your life any longer. Click the link in the description to order now at the best price, learn more, and read hundreds of customer reviews. You won't regret it, and your kitchen will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, and I wish you